Before Tokyo, before the age of samurai, even before the art of sushi was perfected, there was a place nestled in a basin of misty mountains. A place of ancient scrolls and falling cherry blossoms. A place called Kyoto. The story of Kyoto doesn't begin with emperors and grand temples, but with a group of pioneers. In the 6th century, the Hata clan, immigrants from the Korean peninsula, saw promise in the fertile lands between the Kamo and Katsura rivers. They settled this basin, bringing with them revolutionary skills, advanced farming techniques that made the land flourish, and the intricate art of silk weaving, which would become a hallmark of Japanese culture. They didn't just build homes, they laid the very foundation, planting the seeds of a city that would one day shape the destiny of an entire nation. For 2 centuries, this settlement grew, nurtured by the rivers and the diligent work of its people. But its true destiny was yet to be realized. In the year 794, a momentous decision was made. Emperor Kanmu, seeking a new center for his empire, chose this very basin for his capital. He named it Hankyo, the capital of peace and tranquility. It was a city built with intention, modeled after the great Chinese Tang Dynasty capital, with a grid-like layout that symbolized order and harmony. For over 1,000 years, from this very spot, emperors reigned, poets composed their most famous works, and new forms of art and philosophy bloomed. Kyoto wasn't just the political center. It was the beating heart of Japan's culture, religion, and power. The imperial court here was a world of exquisite refinement, where kimonos were works of art and every gesture was steeped in tradition. Today, walking through Kyoto is like stepping into a living museum. It's a city that proudly holds 17 UNESCO World Heritage Sites, over 1,600 Buddhist temples, and hundreds of Shinto shrines. Every corner, every stone path, holds a story. You can feel it in the golden glow of Kinkakuji, the golden pavilion, perfectly reflected in its tranquil pond. You can sense it as you walk through the seemingly endless tunnel of vibrant red torii gates at Fushimi Inari Shrine, each one a prayer or a wish. And you might even catch a glimpse of it in the elegant, silent steps of a geisha gracefully navigating the narrow streets of the Gion district. Here, time doesn't just pass. It collects, layer upon layer, in the quiet courtyards and ancient wooden halls. But don't mistake this reverence for the past as a sign that Kyoto is frozen in time. It is a city of fascinating contrasts. Bullet trains, symbols of Japan's technological prowess, rush past serene, whispering bamboo groves. Ancient tea houses, where a ceremony has been performed the same way for centuries, now sit beside innovative tech startups. You'll find students with laptops sitting on traditional tatami mats, sipping matcha lattes. Kyoto isn't stuck in the past. It uniquely and masterfully carries its history forward, weaving it into the fabric of modern life. Kyoto isn't just a place you visit. It's a rhythm you feel, a ritual you partake in, and a profound reminder that the past and present can coexist in beautiful harmony. It's a city where history breathes with every new day. If you enjoyed this journey through time, please like, subscribe, and follow for more stories from the most fascinating corners of our world. Thank you for watching.